Lysine is an essential amino acid, meaning our bodies cannot produce it on their own. We must obtain it through our diet or through supplementation. It is commonly found in protein-rich foods like meat, nuts, beans, and eggs. Lysine plays a crucial role in producing carnitine, a substance vital for transporting fats into cells for energy. This makes lysine an invaluable element for energy metabolism and overall cellular function. It also significantly aids in wound healing, supporting the body's natural repair processes. One of lysine's most well-known benefits is its potential antiviral activity, particularly against herpes viruses. This includes the herpes simplex virus, which causes cold sores, and the virus responsible for shingles. Lysine may help inhibit the replication of these viruses. Studies have shown that lysine can reduce the frequency and severity of herpes outbreaks. It appears to work by interfering with another amino acid, arginine, which these viruses need to reproduce. This mechanism helps to prevent viral spread and shorten healing times. For instance, a double-blind study involving individuals with genital herpes found significant improvements. Participants taking 3 grams of lysine daily experienced fewer outbreaks and faster healing of lesions. This evidence highlights lysine's promising role in managing viral conditions. Lysine is fundamental for protein synthesis, a process vital for building and repairing tissues throughout the body. It is a key component in the production of hormones and enzymes, which regulate countless bodily functions. Without adequate lysine, these processes can be compromised. Furthermore, lysine is an integral building block of collagen, the most abundant structural protein in our bodies. Collagen is essential for healthy skin, connective tissues, and bones. Its role in collagen formation underscores its importance for overall structural integrity. Lysine also stimulates the proliferation of skeletal muscle satellite cells. These cells are crucial for muscle growth and repair, multiplying to form new muscle fibers. This suggests lysine can support muscle development and potentially improve athletic performance. Lysine offers several vital benefits for bone health. A major advantage is its ability to enhance calcium absorption in the gut. It also helps to reduce the amount of calcium lost through urine, thereby contributing to stronger bones. This dual action makes lysine particularly beneficial in preventing bone loss associated with conditions like osteoporosis. It may also improve the absorption of other bone-building nutrients, such as magnesium and zinc. By supporting calcium balance, lysine helps maintain bone density and strength. Emerging research suggests that lysine may play a role in stress and anxiety reduction. It has been observed to influence neurotransmitter pathways in the brain. This could contribute to a calmer state and improved mood regulation. One study in communities where wheat was a staple food and thus lysine intake was lower showed promising results. Supplementing the diet with lysine significantly decreased anxiety levels and reduced cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, in female participants. Lysine's potential to modulate stress responses adds another dimension to its health benefits. While more research is needed, these findings are encouraging for those seeking natural ways to manage daily stressors. Most healthy adults can obtain sufficient lysine through a balanced diet, especially one rich in high-protein foods. Meat, fish, dairy products, and eggs are excellent sources. Vegetarians and vegans can find it in legumes, spirulina, and fenugreek seeds. However, certain individuals may benefit from higher lysine intake. This includes those recovering from major injuries, athletes with increased protein needs, or individuals managing herpes outbreaks. In these cases, dietary supplements can be a convenient option. Lysine supplements are available in various forms, including tablets, capsules, liquids, and powders. They can also be found as part of multivitamins or protein blends. Always consider your dietary intake before adding supplements. Lysine is generally considered safe when taken at recommended dosages. However, like any supplement, it can cause mild side effects in some individuals. These may include stomach upset or diarrhea, which usually subside quickly. It is crucial to adhere to recommended dosages, as very large doses may potentially affect kidney function. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, as well as individuals with liver or kidney disease, should exercise caution and consult a healthcare provider before use. Always inform your healthcare providers about all medications and supplements you are taking. This includes herbal remedies, as some supplements can interact with prescription or over-the-counter drugs. Personalized guidance ensures safe and effective use. While lysine offers impressive potential benefits, a balanced diet remains the cornerstone of good health. If you are considering adding lysine to your regimen or have questions about your nutritional needs, consult a qualified healthcare provider for tailored advice.